3 New York Center, hello, climb and maintain level 320.
Clear 320, 1603, thank you.
New York Center, good day, Southwest 2209 error, level 245 on the approach 2, we are 80 miles southwest of Robbins Bay.
Southwest 2209, New York Center, hello. Radar contact, altitude indicates level 245.
Thank you for flying Southwest Airlines.
American 259, descent across Briggs at 14,000, 14,000. The McGuire altimeter 2969, more than 1 hour old.
Say again the descent for American 259.
American 259, cross Briggs at 14,000.
Cross Briggs at 14,000, American 259.
Same as JetBlue 2813, descending through approach to arrival.
JetBlue 2813, New York Center, radar contact, altitude indicates level 220.
2813, thanks.
JetBlue 2813, descend via the Proud 2 arrival to cross Corey, add and maintain 10,000, La Guardia altimeter 2977.
Descend for the Proud 2 arrival across Corey and maintain 10,000, 1,000, altimeter 2977, JetBlue 2813.
Southwest 2209, descend via the Proud 2 arrival to cross Corey, add and maintain 10,000, La Guardia altimeter 2977.
Descend via the Proud 2 and cross Corey, maintain 10,000, 2977, Southwest 2209.
Walker 1108, call Allentown approach now on 119.65. See you.
119.65, Walker 1108, thanks. We'll catch you, we'll be flying around a little bit.
See you next time.
Center, Eastern 629 request.
Good.
Do we have an intersection departure at Sierra 3?
Eastern 629, that's approved as requested. Continue taxi via November Sierra 3.
Alright, November Sierra 3 for Eastern 629.
That at 1603 New York?
Yeah, 1603.
United 1603, quarter to Charlie West, Hotel Victor, Quebec, VOR.
Could you repeat that for us, United 1603, please?
United 1603, quarter to Charlie West, Hotel Victor, Quebec, VOR.
Okay, clear to Charlie West, Victor, Hotel Quebec, VOR, United 1603.
New York Center for American 186, I'm not sure if it gets you on a CS on your radar yet, but we're 5,000 and heading 265.
American 186, New York Center, your radar contact. Climb and maintain 10,000 and fly heading 350.
10,000 and heading, can you confirm the heading again for 186?
American 186, fly heading 350, when able, go direct to Flirt.
350, when able, Flirt for 186.
New York Center, Eastern 629, holding short of 27 left at Sierra 3, and we update our information upon.
Eastern 629, thank you. Flighting 240, wind 33021, gust 33, runway 27 left at Sierra 3, cleared for takeoff.
Alright, 240, cleared for takeoff, Eastern 629.
New York, turning on 82 Heavy, request flight level 300.
United 82 Heavy, New York Center, hello. JetBlue 2813, calling York approach 128.55, good night.
On to SI base, JetBlue 2813, thanks.
Southwest 2209, calling York approach 128.55, good night.
128.55, Southwest 2209, here.
American.
Net approach today, Southwest 2209, crossing 14,000, descending 10,000, information Sierra.
Southwest 2209, New York approach, thanks for Sierra altimeter 2977, expect ILS 4.
2977 is for LS 4, Southwest 2209.
Approach JetBlue 2813, descending to 11,000 for 10,000.
JetBlue 2813, New York approach, hello, the Ada Sierra is current, expect ILS 4. York La Guardia altimeter 2977.
Expect LS for 2977 for JetBlue 2813.
United 2360 off of 4 right on Papa 3, parking Alpha.
It's 2360, Oakland, New York, cross runway 4 left, Kilo Sierra Alpha, good night.
Crossing 4 left at Kilo, then Kilo Sierra Alpha to the ramp, 2362.
Delta 2363, contact with LaGuardia Tower, 187, get in. 187, Delta 2363. JetBlue 2813, descend and maintain 7,000.
Descend, maintain 7,000, 2813.
York departure, November 8 Juliet November with you, leveling off at 5,000.
10 Juliet November, New York departure, radar contact, climb maintain 15,000, turn left heading 280.
Up to 15,000, left 280, 8 Juliet November.
York departure, November 116 Juliet, North FBO at Newark, looking for taxi 4 left. We have information, Mike.
There's 60 Sierra Juliet, New York departure, thanks for Mike, run a 4 left taxi via Zulu, Romeo, Bravo, Double Alpha, and cross run a 29 on the Romeo. Let me know if you want an intersection departure.
We'll go full length, but taxi runway 4 left, Zulu, Romeo, Bravo, Alpha Alpha cross 29er at Romeo, November 6 Juliet.
Roger.
Traffic.
Air 10 Juliet November, direct to 1, expect higher in about 10 miles.
Direct to Lana and expect higher in 10 miles, 8 Juliet November.
JetBlue 2813, descend and maintain 3,000.
3,000, 2813.
Southwest 2209, descend and maintain 7,000.
Maintain 7,000, Southwest 2209.
Newark ground, United 268, information Mike at the Charlie concourse, requesting taxi for departure, runway 4 left.
268, run at 4 left, New York departure, run at 4 left taxi, right on Bravo, double Alpha.
Right on Bravo, then Alpha, 4 left, United 268.
Yeah, sorry, JetBlue 2813, clear direct Bang.
Clear direct, Bang, 2813.
JetBlue 2813 at 3,000, slow to 210.
At 3,000, slow to 210, 2813.
Aircraft calling, you're unreadable.
Looks like it's from Alpha. They have information on board. No, fair enough. Please, request please for destination.
What airport are you at? Learjet 8 Juliet November, climb maintain 17,000.
Up to 17,000, 8 Juliet November.
8 Juliet November, thanks. Contact New York Standard 2532, good day.
Sorry, did you call 8 Juliet November?
Yep, 8 Juliet November, contact New York Center 125.32, good day.
125.32, 8 Juliet November.
JetBlue 2013, 5 miles from Bang at about 3,000, cleared out 4.
LS4, JetBlue 2813.
JetBlue 2813, thanks. Maintain 210 knots, still advised.
210 knots, 2813.
Southwest 2209, descend maintain 3000.
Maintain 3000, Southwest 2209.
New York, holding short, runway 31 at Romeo, Delta 23.
At 31, sorry, I forgot. La Guardia, where are you parking today?
Terminal 2 would be good, Delta 2363.
Delta 2363, roger, Romeo. That would be Romeo, Papa, Hotel Alpha to the ramp.
Romeo Papa, Hotel to the ramp, Delta 2363.
That's 2363, clear cross 13 on Romeo.
Clear across 31 at Romeo, Delta 2363.
Departure, Spearwings 3390, we're short of runway 4, La Guardia.
Gentlemen, as we make our final descent into New York, please go laptop computers and similarly sized electronic devices. All portable electronic devices may continue to be used in airplane mode but must be secured for the
Delta 2209, clear direct bang, reduce to the 210.
Direct bang, reduce 210, Southwest 2209.
JetBlue 2813, wind 35014, gust 25, runway 4, clear to land.
Runway 4, clear to land. JetBlue 2813, thanks.
Departure Spearwings 3390.
Steering 3390, New York, departure good.
We're short of runway 4, Papa at La Guardia.
Steering 3390, runway 31, taxi via Papa Bravo, Zulu, and you put across 4 on Papa. Traffic's on a email final.
Okay, Papa Bravo, Zulu, cross runway 4, Papa, Spearwings 3390.
Newark departure, November 116 here at Juliet, ready to go, runway 4 left at Newark.
60 Juliet, wind 34021, gust 33, runway 4 left, clear for takeoff.
Runway 4 left, clear for takeoff, November 6 here, Juliet.
JetBlue 2813, 180 or greater till Venice.
180 and greater to Venice, 2813.
Southwest 2209, about 2.5 miles from Bang, 3000 till Savage on the local house, clear out for approach 180 knots door left till Dennis.
Roger, KLS 4 and 180 knots on Dennis, Southwest 2209.
All aircraft on frequency, all of New York is going to be closing at the top of the hour, 10 o'clock. Which is 02002. Southwest 2209, number 2 on a Jeff, an A320 on a 4-mile final. Wind 340 at 21, gust 33, runway 4, clear to land.
4 clear land, Southwest 2209.
There's 60, Juliet, radar contact to the altitude.
Climbing through 2,700, November 6 Sierra Juliet.
6 Sierra Juliet, thanks. Heading 330, climbing to 10,000.
Say again the altitude and heading 330.
Heading 330 and 10,000. That's 10,000, 10,000.
Sorry about that. 10,000, November 6 Sierra Juliet.
Departure Speedway 3390 at La Guardia, for 31, ready to go.
Strength 3390, roger, wind runway 31 line up and way, traffic final 2 mile final for the other runway.
31 line up and way through, that's 3390.
York Tower, good evening. United 268, holding short 4 left at Alpha Alpha, fully ready for departure.
Hit 268, wind 34021, gust 331 at 4 left, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 4 left, United 268.
Air 1160 Juliet, clear direct coast, climb maintain 16,000.
Clear direct coat up to 16,000, November 6 Sierra Juliet.
Approach UPS 1936, heavy past 7,300 for 11,000.
UPS 1936, 7 New York, departure, better contact, direct Robbinsville, climb maintain 17,000.
Direct Robbinsville up to 17,000, UPS 1936.
Down, flaps to the green light, and we check into screen.
UPS 1936, heavy contact New York Center 125.32.
2532 UPS 1936 heavy.
Approach up to 20 up 13, vacated 4 on Romeo.
Steering 3390, wind 35014, gust 25, heading 340 on departure, runway 31, clear for takeoff.
Heading 340, runway 31, clear for takeoff, Speedway 3390.
New York departure, good evening. United 268, 1,400, climbing 3,000, Newark 5.
JetBlue 2013, hold short 31 on Romeo.
Hold short 3 on Romeo, 2013.
268 New York departure, better contact, turn left, heading 270, climb maintain 10,000.
Left heading 270, climb maintain 10,000, United 268.
Alright, 6 Sierra Juliet, contact New York Center 125.32, good day.
125.32, we'll see you on November 6 Sierra Juliet.
JetBlue 2013, cross 31 on Romeo, safe parking.
Cross 31 on Romeo, 2013 parking, Bravo
100.
Bravo 58.
2013 Roger, Romeo Golf Alpha to the ramp, good night.
Romeo Golf Alpha to the ramp, 2813, thanks for that.
268, clear direct Lana, climb maintain 17,000.
17,000, direct Lana, United 268.
Steering 3390, radar contact, say altitude.
Passing 2,300, steering 3390.
Steering 3390, thanks, climb maintain 15,000.
On behalf of the
15,000,
flight
Spirit
crew of
3390.
Southwest Airlines, welcome to New York. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened, seat back and tray cable in their full upright and locked position, and all carry-on items completely under the seat in front of you. When the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign, please be careful when opening the overhead bin. Items may have shifted during flight and could fall out. You may now use the cellular function of your small portable electronic devices, but please remain seated and leave your carry-on stowed. Please be advised the aircraft doors will be open during ground service. For your safety, please ensure that you and any children you are supervising remain clear of the front and back doors. You are connecting here to another Southwest flight.
Southwest 2209, Papa. Actually, where are you parking tonight?
Oh, we go to the 54.
Southwest 2209, Roger. Let's make that Papa Sierra Golf Alpha to the ramp. Good night.
Papa Sierra Golf Alpha to the ramp, Southwest 2209.
Bearing 3390, turn left heading 26, one able direct to Lana.
Heading 260, one able direct to Lana, Spirit 3390.
New York approach, American 34.
American 34, New York departure, good.
Good evening, American 34 on the ground, La Guardia, crossing I-5 to Dallas as filed.
American 34, expect TBC, all of New York is going to be closing shortly, so departure is probably going to be offline by then, but also need a TBC.
Alright, expecting a TBC and then Unicom after for American 34.
New York Terminal, good evening, Jet 645 at La Guardia, crossing 9 proximity to Metro.
Same with you, expect PDC, we'll all be closing shortly though.
Roger, thank you.
Delta 2, United 268, contact New York Center 2532, good night.
2532 Center, United 268, thanks for the help.
Bearing 3390, climb maintain 17,000, contact New York Center 125.32, good night.
17,000 over to center, Spirit 3390, thanks, we'll see you.
Central aircraft on frequency. New York approach is closed. Center's going to be closing shortly as well. Some frequency change approved. Hope you all have a great night.
See ya. Good night. I take care.
Thank you.
The boarding requested. Passengers, the boarding starting.